Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to make 2 cards using the Holiday Group Hug stamp set. I am going to use my Misty stamp positioning tool here and a little bit of anti-static powder on my paper right away. Then I'm using the clear embossing ink that is from Spellbinders to ink up my stamp. Now this stamp is really big and it's super fun to color. So I also made a card where I colored it. So if you're interested in seeing that video, you can just check out my channel and you should be able to find it rather quickly. To stamp it down, I'm just using my Misty and this tool that my dear husband made for me that basically just applies even pressure to all of the areas where the stamp lands. And there's one little section that I didn't really get, so I just added just a little bit more ink and it was good to go. I'm using gold embossing ink for both projects today, and that is, I think, from, I'm not sure where that's from, but I guess maybe just my craft store. And just adding the gold embossing powder instead of coloring it is just kind of a fun way to make a whole bunch of cards rather quickly. So I know for Christmas, a lot of people like to make a lot of cards for Christmas, so this could be a really fun one that can be batched rather quickly with just stamping and heat embossing and adding it to a card base. I'm going to do the same thing on this red piece of paper and then heat up my heat embossing gun and turn that powder into something really pretty. I love using embossing powders just to give a stamp a different look. So this stamp is adorable colored, and just with some embossing powder, it can really turn a stamp like this into kind of like a wow factor. Plus, the sentiments that come with this stamp set are just so cute and perfect for the actual image, the stamped image. And this stamp set, the Holiday Group Hug, is for part of the Tinsel Time collection. So there's a lot that comes in that collection. There's like a dancing deer, snowman, Saint Nick, some really pretty glimmer plates, and a couple different stamp sets. So I would definitely check out that collection. I will have it linked in the description below if you are interested. Something else that just came out here on August 14th is the Color Essential embellishments. So that is one other thing that I'm going to be adding to both of my cards here today. So there are these new things called the smooth discs, and I'm going to be using the gold ones, and they kind of remind me of a sequin, but there is no hole in the center. So when they are put on a card, you could either put them, so they're kind of shaped like a bowl, okay? And you could put them bowl shape up or bowl shape down, similar to the sequins, and get a really cool look to both of them. So I'm so excited to use those today. But before I use those, I need to put my cards on some card bases. So to do that, I'm just using some double-sided tape and sticking it on 2 card bases. I think I said I was using the gold ones at the beginning of this video, but I'm actually using the ones that are scarlet. So they're the red, deep red color. So to add them on, I'm just adding little dots of glue where I want them to go, and then I'm using my jewel picker to pick them up and set them down. They come with quite a lot in a little package there, and I think that they are perfect to add to different cards. I know that these are Christmas cards, but you could really add them to any other project. So they have the scarlet, the silver, gold, black. So they're really cool. And I get excited about embellishments because I love adding a little bit of sparkle and a shine to my projects. So I definitely will be reaching for these in the future. If you've enjoyed today's video or liked either one of these cards, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more crafty content. I love making cards and I like sharing them with other people, so like I said, stick around for more videos in the month of July. I will be posting quite often, and the month of August as well, so stick around. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Goodbye.